Welcome to Art of Cosmetics. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space dedicated to exploring all the gear and equipment that goes into a beauty collection. We're taking a closer look at the pieces that make up our daily routines, sharing honest insights into what we use and why. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of hair washes, where you can use them, what kind of lather they build, and why each style brings something different to your routine. Clarifying Shampoo. This deep cleansing formulation is specifically engineered with strong surfactants to strip away stubborn buildup caused by styling products, hard water minerals, and excess sebum. Emerging in early hair salons when heavy lacquers and gels became popular, it serves as a periodic reset button for the scalp. It matters because regular shampoos often leave behind microscopic residue over time, and a clarifying wash clears the slate so other treatments can work effectively. Volumizing Shampoo. This lightweight cleanser uses body-boosting polymers and gentle detergents that lift dirt without coating the strands in heavy moisturizing agents. Developed to combat flat, lifeless hair, it focuses on swelling the hair cuticle or adding structural stiffness at the root. This approach matters for fine hair types because it creates the illusion of fullness and bounce without weighing down individual strands with oils. Moisturizing Shampoo. This rich, emollient-packed formula incorporates high levels of fatty alcohols, botanical oils, and humectants designed to quench dry or coarse hair. Rooted in traditional conditioning washes, it deposits moisture deep into the hair shaft while gently cleaning away surface dirt. It stands out by transforming brittle, straw-like textures into smooth, manageable locks that retain hydration even in dry weather. Color Protecting Shampoo. This specialized formula utilizes sulfate-free detergents and UV filters to prevent artificial dye molecules from washing out of chemically treated hair. Introduced as hair coloring became mainstream in commercial salons, it balances mild cleansing power with antioxidant protection. This matters because harsh sulfates rapidly strip fresh color pigments, and a specialized wash extends the vibrant life of a salon dye job significantly. Dandruff Shampoo. This medicated category relies on active therapeutic ingredients like zinc pyrithione, ketoconazole, or selenium sulfide to target the root causes of flaking and irritation. Originating from pharmaceutical dermatology, it treats microbial imbalances and excessive shedding on the scalp. It is essential for maintaining scalp health because standard cosmetic washes fail to control the specific fungi and inflammation associated with chronic dandruff. Balancing Shampoo. This targeted cleanser is designed for combination hair that features an oily scalp paired with dry or damaged ends. Emerging from modern consumer demand for multitasking formulas, it bridges the gap between deep oil control and gentle hydration. It matters because it cleanses the roots thoroughly without stripping moisture away from the mid-lengths and tips of longer hairstyles. Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This gentle wash replaces harsh synthetic detergents like sodium lauryl sulfate with milder cleansers derived from coconut or sugar. Gaining immense popularity with the rise of the curly hair community and natural hair care movements, it cleans without stripping the natural lipid barrier. This formulation matters for maintaining natural curl integrity and preventing excessive frizz, especially in hair types prone to dryness. Dry Shampoo. This waterless alternative comes in aerosol spray or loose powder form, using starches and clays like rice powder or kaolin to absorb excess oil instantly. Historically traced back to powdered wigs in 18th century Europe, where washing hair was difficult, modern versions became a modern convenience staple. It stands out by extending the time between traditional showers, saving water while reviving limp hair on busy mornings. Baby Shampoo. This ultra-mild formula features specialized amphoteric surfactants designed to clean without stinging the eyes or disrupting delicate skin barriers. Introduced by mass-market pharmaceutical companies in the mid-20th century, it set a new safety standard for gentle cleansing. It remains relevant today not only for infants, but also for adults with extreme skin sensitivities or those needing a very soft wash for eyelash extensions. Solid Shampoo. This concentrated bar format eliminates liquid water and plastic bottles entirely, relying on compacted surfactants and nourishing butters molded into a hard block. Inspired by traditional soap-making methods, but modernized with pH-balanced Syndet bases, it has surged in popularity due to zero-waste lifestyle choices. It matters because it offers a travel-friendly, eco-conscious alternative that lasts through dozens of washes while reducing plastic waste in landfills. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning more about the tools behind the looks, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next chat. I can't wait to see you in the next video.